Hello. So today, me, the cameraman Migle, and our chef Tom is presenting a simple yet delicious dish, trganci. For the dish, we'll need 250 grams of flour, 250 milliliters of water, an egg, and some salt. First, we put the flour into the bowl. Next, we spill the water on it. Crack the egg. Then, we put the salt and stir it. Turns out 250 grams of flour was too little, so we're adding some more. We're adding way more flour, apparently. And mixing it with our own hands. Once we finish kneading the dough, we put a bit of flour on the table to prevent the dough from sticking on the surface. And then what's that word? I didn't hear. And then we roll it out. Once we rolled out the dough, we're cutting it up in small squares. Yes, thank you. You can hear the table scream out as it's being cut up. It's a wonderful sound, isn't it? The water is boiling and we have added the salt. We put the pieces of dough that will be food someday
into the water.
Yes. trganci have been cooking for 15 minutes already, so we can plate them now.